Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can easily start the game in Faceit. So what you want to do, you just be in Faceit, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to click on whatever game you got. So you just click plus here, you click plus add game, and you just add game from here. And when you're gonna do it, I'm going to click CSGO here, matchmaking. You can go CSGO 5v5 here, and right top corner click play. And I can simply go as a solo or as a create party. So that's pretty much it. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. You just click play as solo. And voila, here we got it. But I need to go from here and turn on the anti-cheat, etc. Yeah. See ya.